everyone. So in my last few videos, many female ask me, Doctor, can female do hair transplant? The answer is yes, definitely. However, male and female have a different pattern of hair loss. So the male, you will look, it comes in an M shape, and female, they start to lose their hair at the parting in the middle becomes wider and wider. The example are this diagram above to see the difference. And in my case, where I do a lot of hair transplants for female, mainly is to reshape the hairline to make them look aesthetically much better and just to fill up above the hairline. That is the common pattern of hair loss that I see in female that I do a lot. And believe me, it's a fantastic result, and unfortunately most of the females who come to me, they already lose more than 50% of their hair. It becomes too visible and they come to see me and I'm there to help them. So I'm sharing again, female can do hair transplant and get very good results out of it. So okay, ciao for now.